Hello and good afternoon, everyone. Adam here at Kinion Classic Cars in Clarence, Iowa. This afternoon, we are going to show you a 1940 Chevrolet Sedan Delivery. Now, we got this car in on trade. It has a small block Chevy engine, has a 350 turbo, automatic transmission, has power steering. It's got power rack and pinion steering. It's got power brakes with disc brakes in the front, drum rear. It is a 10-bolt GM rear end, dual exhaust, Flowmasters, sitting on a really cool set of kind of Keystone Classic wheels. I think, what size are those? They're 15s, they're 255, 60, 15s on the rear. Kind of an old school looking Keystone wheel. Pretty cool. Gentleman traded this car in, local guy. Bought an Impala from us, a wagon, traded this thing in. That's where the car originated from when it was built, I believe was Oregon. It's got a low car shifter. You're gonna see it has the AC controls, heat and AC controls for vintage air. It has a condenser and the under the dash unit, so all that's done. It does need the compressor put on it if you want to have functional air. Nice set of gauges in it, tilt steering column. It's a low car shifter. Really comfortable leather seats. Very, very nice inside. All custom interior, headliner, rear panels in the back, carpet. Just a really cool car. Been sitting in here for 3 or 4 days. First time it's been started. Pumped it twice, started right up. Shows 24,000 miles, probably how many miles are on it since it was built. Blower motor works, wipers work, horn does not work unless there's a button somewhere. Flat black exterior. Left turn, right headlight indicator. Flashers. I don't know what they got going on for radio in here. I don't think there is a radio in it. I think there's a speaker maybe back there. So I don't know if they had some type of Bluetooth stereo hooked up in this. Sounds great. The body's super solid. It's got a backup camera. Very, very solid Sedan Delivery. I always like these 38, 39, 40 Chevys. I think they're pretty cool. Headlights, flashers, turn signals, they all work. Just a pretty sweet car. The hood release is underneath the dash. It's way, way up under here, like where my hand is. So it's got a pull cable. I'm gonna price this cool ride at $29,900. I think that's a very fair price for this. Somebody's really gonna enjoy this thing just like the previous gentleman did. Got a horn there, got an Uga horn. Aluminum intake, Holley carburetor, got a set of headers on it, electric cooling fan. Low car dipstick, transmission dipstick. And AC condensers there. cool ride. Pretty easy to clean too. You just kind of dust it off, wipe it down, and you're good to go. There's the fuel fill. Sounds good, runs good. We'll take it out for a little spin here quick. Pretty neat ride. Real good components on this car. It's a warm day here in July in Iowa. Been real humid lately, so let go of the steering wheel and go straight down the road. Pretty neat car. It's got good oil pressure. That fuel gauge is working. Temp gauge, volt gauge, speedometer, that all works. Kinion Classic Cars, we're in Clarence, Iowa. Phone number here at Kinion Classics, 563-452-2450. www.kinionauto.com, KINION auto.com. We buy, sell, and trade classic cars, muscle cars, pickup trucks every day. So give us a call if you're interested in purchasing this 1940 Chevy Sedan Delivery, or maybe one of the other vehicles that we have in stock. Check out our website, again, KINIONauto.com. Solid 40 Chevy Sedan Delivery, something you don't see every day, and it's super cool. Sits right, looks right, just a really cool car. Like I say, it's super solid. There's no bubbles or blisters on the bottoms of the doors, the fenders, the quarters, anything like that, and it's very clean underneath as well. I'll put it up on the hoist here in a little bit, and I'll take some undercarriage pictures. That way you can see what she looks like underneath. This thing's got some power. She runs good. Nice little small block under the hood.
but it's a good running small block, good oil pressure, doesn't overheat, does everything it's supposed to do. Just a really cool car. Again, Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450. Give us a call today. Please, if you haven't already, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. We really appreciate it, and I appreciate all my current subscribers. I hope you all have a wonderful afternoon, and I'll be back at you here just shortly with a few more great collector cars. Talk to you soon.